Alright, so I ordered the green bottle blue, a pair, male and female, from Shoppe. It's an overnight shipping. And let's see what's inside. So it's a adult male and female. I'm not sure exactly the age. Okay, hold on, let's see. Alright. There's a logo, a ruler, a styrofoam cover on top. Let's see how well they packaged the product. Okay guys, you see this? It's still warm. Wow, look at that. They have a heating pad included. There's my receipt, and calling card information if you want to order your tarantula from this online retailer. You get a free sticker. All right. Okay, let's see. What's this? Nothing. So here it is. See that? GBB, male and female. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see. There it is. It's a male, right? It's a male. Okay. So I'm gonna put it here. And let's see the female. Actually, this is a male, yeah. Nice and easy. There it is. So they look healthy so far. It's a green bottle blue. It's a sub-adult or maybe a semi-juvenile. All right, I'm excited to have this. I mean, I can add it to my collection. So this is unboxing from Shoppe. You guys try ordering tarantula from them, and they look healthy, you know. We'll see what's gonna happen after a few days. Everything is set up for them, the enclosure, everything is dry, and yeah, so far so good. Cheers.